Why do we hiccup? You might have heard it's from eating too fast or drinking fizzy drinks. While those are triggers, the real reason is a bit more interesting. It all starts with your diaphragm, a big muscle under your lungs that helps you breathe. When it suddenly spasms or contracts involuntarily, you suck in air really quickly, but at the same time, your vocal cords snap shut. That abrupt stop is what makes the classic hic sound. So, it's basically a little battle between your diaphragm and your vocal cords. Things like excitement, stress, or even a sudden temperature change can set it off. It's usually harmless and goes away on its own. But isn't it weird how our bodies work? What's your go-to hiccup cure? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun facts.